people say you can only learn with experience. Now that's the truth. But you can also learn from others' experiences if you are wise and intelligent and smart. You can actually fast track your learning by working with others who've gone through the same sort of experiences, who've picked up wisdom, and they can share that wisdom with you, and that wisdom can help you along in your life and in your career. You see, in 20 years that I've worked within big corporate organizations like American Express, KPMG, and Google, I've worked with a lot of great people. Most of my leaders were incredible people. They really took care of me. They really took care of my learning, my growth. They took care of my happiness. And with them, I grew into who I became eventually. But I also worked with some very difficult bosses, especially in the early stages of my career. In fact, I remember there was this one boss who was such a terrible person to work with that he used to abuse me and throw papers on my face. I became a nervous wreck working with him. And then there was this another boss who was a total perfectionist. He wanted everything to be done in his way. And it was so hard working with him. So, along your career journey, you will work with all kinds of people. But remember this, whoever it is, howsoever good or bad that person may appear to be, you are always learning along that journey. By working with these difficult bosses in the early part of my career, I learned to become the kind of leader that I wanted to be. Not like them, but like somebody else who takes care of people. So I want to fast track your journey today. In this video, I want to share some of those things that I learned along my 20-year-long career journey that helped me and that are continuing to help me. And I hope that I will be able to fast track your learning process. Note these down. These are 5 things that I always hold close to myself now, and I want to continue investing in these things. It's not like becoming a chartered accountant one day, the result is announced and you become a chartered accountant. The thing with leadership is that you have to continuously get better. It is a process. It's a never-ending process. So these 5 things that I learned in my career, I want to share them with you today so that you can start imbibing some of these, if not all, some of these, and they will start making your life much better. So make note of these 5 things. The first one, focus on people and networks. Such an important thing, and many of us ignore it. Many of us think that as long as I take care of myself, I don't have to worry about others. But take care of the people that you work with, and they will take care of you in the future. That's the power of the network. Let me tell you a very quick story. I left one of my jobs back in 2006 to join another organization. And then in 2011, I was again in need of a job. And the organization that I applied for was the organization that I had left in 2006. I got in touch with the leaders that I was working with earlier, 5 years ago, and they got me an interview call. And then when I went in for the interview, the senior leader who was interviewing me asked me, Abhinav, tell me who would be able to refer you back into this organization. You know what my answer was? I told him, sir, there would be many people I could give you as references, but I would love for you to go and talk to the team that I was working with back at that point in time. Those were the people who were reporting into me. And if they would want me to come back as their leader, then that's the best reference that I can get. And you know what? The leader actually went back and checked with that team, and that team gave very great testimonial for me, and I got that job. That is the power of taking care of people and focusing on your network. That's the first skill that I want you to continuously develop as young professionals. The second thing, learning. It's incredibly important. Do not allow anybody to tell you that just because you become a chartered accountant, your learning stops. Your learning has to go on every single day. In fact, what I do, and this is an example that you could also imbibe in your life, is every year when the year turns, my resolution is, what is the new skill that I will learn this year? What is the new course that I will do this year? What is the new certification that I will acquire this year? Now imagine if you keep doing this for 10, 15, 20 years, the amount of skill and knowledge that you will be able to accumulate. Phenomenal. So focus on learning, never ignore that aspect. Number 3, make a wholesome life for yourself. A lot of times, because we've always worked so hard as students, as in our academics, we continue doing that. And we believe just working hard will take us places. I have seen so many young professionals, especially in our accountancy profession, who get burnt out by the time they're 30, 35 or 40. because they work so hard. You work for 14, 16 hours non-stop. You're always trying to meet deadlines. You're always thinking in terms of competition that your quality of life deteriorates. I want you to build a wholesome life. Develop your interests, develop your passions, some hobbies, something that keeps you excited outside of your work as well. If you do that, you will build a wholesome, balanced life for yourself. Take care of yourself, your health, and your happiness. Number 4, I want you to focus on quality over quantity. This is very important, especially for youngsters like yourself, because you're starting out your career right now. A lot of times we believe just hopping jobs for a few thousand rupees more will make sense in the long run. And I've seen a lot of those young people who left my organization and went to some other organization because the other organization was offering a few more rupees. 2 years down the line, they would call me and say, "Can we come back?" Simply because we offered a better quality. Always focus on the quality of the job rather than the quantity of the money, unless the difference is substantial. Your early stages in your career should be focused on you developing as a professional, on acquiring new skills, the kind of content that you get in the job, the kind of people that you work with, the brand that you're working with. Those are important things. Focus on the quality, not as much on the quantity. And last but not the least, change is coming. It is coming ever faster. In the accountancy profession especially, we are seeing new technologies like robotics, artificial intelligence, NLP. All of these new technologies are coming our way and are changing the way organizations work and the jobs that exist today. If you're not fast enough to adapt to this change, you will be swept away. That's a scary thought to be, but I have seen that happening in the organizations that I work with. So many jobs got automated in the last 2 or 3 years, and this pace will keep on increasing. So focus on change, the change that is happening outside of you, in the environment, in technology, in business, and the change that you're bringing about in yourself. So focus on these 5 skills that I've told you about, and you will find that you are able to attain greater success and greater happiness in your life and in your career. This is something I learned over 20 years. I've just fast-tracked your learning in 10 minutes.